Hey guys, so today is what should be day 7. I don't know how well you guys can hear me over the waves in the background, but I'm sitting down here on the beach along Lake Tahoe, and it's a beautiful day. It is an absolutely tremendous, beautiful day. Sun is out, skies are blue, doesn't smell smoky. So today should be day 7. But I'm sitting here. Yesterday, we got off the trail, came into Tahoe City, and we were doing our resupply. Problem is, the trail is now closed. There are too many wildfires, the fire danger is way too high, and so the Tahoe Basin area has shut off all the trails. All the trails around here, with the exception of certain bits and pieces, are completely closed. No one's allowed out there. If you get caught out there, it's a $5,000 fine. We don't, you know, as advocates of the trail, as advocates of the hiking and backpacking community, it's not something I want to be responsible for. Showing irresponsibility by going out and hiking, backpacking while things are closed. So we're doing the responsible thing, and we booked flights back home. So 6 days of hiking. 11 was what was planned. We made it a little over halfway. Had an amazing trip. Well, I was out with great people. You know, Rain Man and Sean, strong hikers, and you know, being out with them, they're an interesting mix, to say the least. And so it was always fun. It was something that always bringing a smile to my face out there. Plus the hiking. I mean, the views. Yeah, we were in some smoky areas. The smoke was a little bit overwhelming at times, but man, it was so beautiful, so awesome. We'll be back. This isn't over. We've still got, well, we're gonna have to do the whole thing because I want to through hike it. I don't want to section hike it. So we're gonna have to do it all over again. That's to come. I don't know when, but it'll happen. Alright guys, I hope you guys appreciated this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed this series, watching us hike this section. We did a little over 100 miles, but we'll be back for more. I'll see you guys down the trail. Thanks. About all this is that the air quality here at the lake today is the best it's been in weeks. You know, we've been watching it, and the numbers were up in the 200s, close to the 300s for a while. Even while we were out, we saw a couple of really high spikes. Today it's 3. Green, everything's great. But if you see behind me, that black, that in the air, that is the reason we're not out there. There's a fire going, and it's coming in. So they told us we couldn't hike anymore. We couldn't backpack TRT.
No backpacks.
No backpacks. So, no backpacks. And we're just out for a walk. We're not hiking, we're walking in the woods. I got Mr. GQ back here behind me. And then Sean back a little further.
Pokey.
Yeah, it might have been a trail name, Ern. I don't know.
We haven't decided yet.
No.
We're heading up to look at some falls. Ah, it's beautiful up here. I love the granite. I love this part of the Sierra near Desolation. This reminds me of Monkey Rock crack up in Paladuro.
We're at Reno International sitting in traffic because we can't get to the airport, I don't think. We've heard rumors that there may be a bomb threat, just to continue with the saga of this trip and everything going wrong.
Yeah, so along with not being able to hike, and it's bad today, like that smoke out there is horrible. Here, let me put you out the window. Blue over here, but if you look out you can see, and up in the hills it was really bad. But now we're sitting here, and about 5 minutes ago I saw a message from somebody I know saying that Reno airport bomb threat. We get here and traffic stopped, and they're kind of, looks like they're sending everybody through the parking lot, I think heading back out. So we'll see, but it's 2020.
It's never a dull moment.
Pretty sure someone needs to hit the reset button.